In this video I'm going to show you how to make AI cover song. But before I begin with this video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is go to sumo.com/create. Now if you don't already have an account with them, just create one. It's super simple. All you have to do is log in with your Gmail. And basically once you are here, if you want to make AI cover songs, you have to make a song that's just lyrics, instrumental, or just instrumental, so it's and or. So for example, make a AI cover for a hip hop, then you basically just click generate, and then it's going to generate the song for you, depending on also if you choose instrumental or not. Then you wait for a moment, play it, play around with it. Some things you can do is like reuse prompt, edit details, report, mode to trash, like it, make it public so that others can see it, and stuff like that. But that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.